welcome in to another woolly review. Today I am going to be reviewing Deramores Studio Anti-Pilling DK 50 gram. Now, yes, they do come in bigger skeins. This is the one that I am reviewing today. Doesn't matter how big the skein is, it's still the same thing. I'm also going to be using my wonderful custom made hook. I asked her to do a certain thing. She did it. I'm really pleased. Links down below if you're wanting to get your hands on a custom made hook from a beautiful artist. Go for it. Really, really good price as well. So, woohoo! Anyway, we're here for the review. Lisa, quit your yap. Okay. So, what I need to get in place is our ladybirds are prepped. I need a slip knot. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That will do me, and making those 12, it is really smooth on the hook, really smooth. I mean, it's lovely and soft to stroke. I would definitely, just by feel, I would go, yes, a wearable, for sure a wearable, yes please. But it glides wonderfully on the hook. So I am going in to do some single crochets. I always start with a nice simple stitch to begin with, just to get a feel for it. It is gliding wonderfully, and looking at the wool itself, I would turn around and say, oh, that's gonna split bad. It's not splitting, it's great. So yeah, this is working really nice. I like this. And anti-pilling as well. I mean, heck yeah, who wants those little bobbles, right? Okay, so that feels nice. So I'm gonna work. What am I gonna work? I'm gonna put a double in there. And then I'm going to make some half doubles. Oops. Into the same stitch. This is really smooth on the hook. Like, I'm making mistakes because it's going too easy on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that will do me. Thank you very much. And I really should put my skein on my wonderful little holder, because that's what it's there for. Okay, so we're going for another 5. And no, I'm not doing anything specific. I'm not thinking really about what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, this may curl. Yes, this may go wonky doodabs. I'm not making anything. Just creating a review. Let's do another couple. I might have done too many there, but hey ho. Like I said, it's fine. But this is working really nice. It's feeling nice in the hand. It is not feeling like it's going to give me friction burn on the fingers as I'm using it. It feels nice for what I'm, what I'm touching right now. It feels really nice. So I stand by what I said with it'd make a great wearable. Now these 50-gram balls were £1.50 at the Wool Warehouse. That'll do me. Thank you very much. Feels really nice. Let's read the label, shall we? So this is the colour of vanilla. Deramores Studio Anti-Pilling 50 grams. There's 136 yards, 125 metres per 50-gram ball. It's 100% acrylic, machine wash to 40 degrees, and they recommend a size 4 hook. Okay. So this feels lovely. I'm so going with that. I want to wear this. I think it'd be wasted on anything else. I really do. This needs to be close to the skin. So slow frog seems fine. Fast frog, perfectly fine. And not much crimpage on what has been frogged. So, question is, would I use this again? Well, the answer is a definite yes, for sure, for absolute sure. £1.50 for 125 metres. Yes, I think I would. I think I would. Okay, so let's get this hook out of the way. What am I going to do? Would I turn my back on it? No. Would I go, if I have to? No. Would I go, oh, that's alright. That could work. No. Would I be quite content and happy and just, it's great, I'll use it. No. I would be ecstatic. I would be very, very pleased to use this again. Deramores Studio Anti-Pilling DK is a huge thumbs up for me. If the review was thumbs up for you, please give a thumbs up. And of course subscribe down below if you're willing. But that is today's review. Thank you very much.